Going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 2. What is the scale of the map in statement form? A. 1 centimeter on the map represents half kilometer on the ground. B. 1 centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. C. 1 centimeter on the map represents 5 kilometers on the ground. D. 1 centimeter on the map represents 15 kilometers on the ground. Now we are looking at this map of Niti district, and this is the scale given to us in the ratio form, which is 1 is to 50,000 is what is given to us. Now, for the sake of reference, in map reading, 1 is to 100,000 means 1 centimeter on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. So this is usually the standard used in map reading, but now we have 50,000. So in order to convert or to know what 1 centimeter on the map stands for on the ground, you usually divide the bigger number given to you by 100,000, and that way you get how many kilometers, or you get the number of kilometers it represents on the ground. So in this case, you will say 50,000 divided by our standard, which is 100,000. Now 50,000 divided by 100,000 is 0.5, and 0.5 is also half. So 0.5 kilometers or half kilometer. So in statement form, 1 centimeter on the map represents 0.5 kilometer on the ground, or half kilometer on the ground. So the correct answer is A. 1 centimeter on the map represents half kilometer on the ground. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.